Hey, welcome back everybody. So I've got a little special treat for you today. So I am actually stripping these wheels and I'm going to recoat them with the coating that we designed and see how it holds up and what it looks like on wheels. So it's going to be something new for us. You're going to see how I clean these things and get them back up to par. So let's get after it. So first, all right folks, so we're going to go ahead and strip this wheel. Somebody had painted these black before we got them. So just standard aircraft stripper. Works on aluminum, works on pretty much everything. A little bit on there, comes right off. So okay, so we've let this sit for about 15 minutes now. It should just wipe right off. Let's go ahead and try it here. Like I said, I'm trying not to get this on my skin. Oh yeah, it just literally wipes right off. No problem whatsoever. It is messy, however, but it does come off. So oh yeah, no problem whatsoever. Alright, so that's pretty much how I did it. I just go ahead and I strip all the black off with the aircraft stripper, and then I'll take a wire brush and rough this up a little bit, and you'll see how I do that in just a second. Alright, so now I just take the drill and I start getting in some of these little crevices here. Or I use my little air tool, which you'll see that here in a second. This works really well too. And sometimes I'll take my knife and here where it's kind of thick, I'll just scrape it out of the way. All this does is loosen it up enough so we can really just get on. Okay, now let's go ahead and take the wire wheel over it and get it completely cleaned up. Alright, I've got a safety gear on and a little wire brush here, and let's get after it. I've already pretty well got this thing stripped, but I like to go ahead and try to get the sander All right, so I've got the front of that sanded. Now, if you notice, I've already got the wheel stripped, and how I stripped it is I actually stripped it with aircraft aluminum stripper. It just takes it down, it gets all the clear coat, all the stuff off of it, and boom, we're left with just a untreated aluminum finish, and literally, these are gonna be black when I'm done. And I believe it's gonna look great, so let's get into it. Okay, so we've got this thing already stripped and ready to coat, so I'm gonna go ahead and tape it off. So let's get that, and we'll get some coating spread on this thing in just a second. Okay folks, and here's the finished product. It's been 24 hours. Like I said, I come back and I wanted to see what it looked like, and I'll be honest with you, wow. So check this out. I love the finish on it. I actually love the surface fix that it has. It's a little rough. I mean, it hides all the imperfections. I mean, seriously, wow. I did not expect it to turn out that good. So let me zoom in on this a little bit here and show you what I'm talking about. Okay folks, so there you have it. It's a great looking finish on this wheel. I believe it's going to hold up just like the rest of the coating it always has. And unfortunately, that's all we have time for today. But hey, thanks for watching. If you want to see more of what we're doing, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.